When you're trying to find yourself as a young girl, it can be a little difficult to like really understand how you're supposed to kind of feel. Interesting would be a really great word to describe my hair journey. Having short hair has taught me how to truly accept and love myself in the rawest form. My name is Asia, and I'm getting a faded pink wig. I'm a fashion designer. I design women's wear and do some custom men's pieces, but mainly women's wear. My hair underneath this wig is curly, and it's about this long, and I love my hair underneath. I just don't want to do my hair all the time, and I don't have time in the morning to do my hair. I want to do the faded pink look because, one, I've never had pink hair, and I really love pink. To be honest, I am a little nervous about this faded pink wig option because once it's on, it's on. Growing up, I was modeling as a teenager, and during that time I was also coloring my hair a lot, and it became really overprocessed, so I came to a point where I had to pretty much just cut my hair off to start over. I've had a difficult time. I went through many different ups and downs, but actually my hair had become like an outlet for me. It was a way for me to express an emotion, whether I wasn't feeling good about myself or I had control over it. So when that moment happened, everything changed for me. I always felt confident. Even if my hair is a hot mess, I feel good. When I get the wig, I'm definitely FaceTiming my best friend because we're obsessed with Alonzo and she's jealous. Hi.
Hey girl, how are you?
Nice
I'm
to meet
Alonzo.
you. I'm Asia.
Nice to meet you too, girl. You ready?
Yes.
I'm so ready too, girl. So what we're gonna do is
Okay.
like a rose faded pink. My name is Alonzo Arnold and I am a hairstylist to the stars. Wigs to me mean personality, versatility. You can be fun with a wig, but wigs can also mean bad things. Wiggy, humpy, horrible. And who wants that? Not me. So now I'm gonna start coloring the wig, and I know it's really bright, but y'all gonna see how it's gonna turn out, okay? The process is very tedious. First, you have to measure your client's head. You have to look at your client's skin type, look at their undertones for color variations to see what specific colors go with the client, because sometimes that is, a job in itself. I did bring in a pre-bleached unit. I bleached it about 2 days ago, and then I let it soak in conditioner just so that the hair can retain its elasticity, and that way the hair doesn't break while depositing the color on it. All right, y'all, so that's the fun part. We're about to rinse the color out, and we're gonna give it a good shampoo, and we're gonna see the results.
This is like really full circle for me because during the age when I first cut my hair, all I wore was pink. Like my nails were pink, my hair was pink. I mean, my hair wasn't pink, but like had pink barrettes, pink clothes. So it's like I'm living my youth in a new way, which is really cool.
This is my tinting technique that I like to do.
I'm ready.
Me too, girl. All right, guys, so that process is now complete. So now what we have to do is let it dry, and we're gonna apply this wig.
When I first heard the word Godfidence, I was at church. It's like another level of confidence. When it's from God, it's from within. So it's like it's heightened. So it kind of brings everything full circle from what I've learned from a little girl, learning to love myself deeply and not just from an outward perspective.
The active adhesive is really good for, again, clients that sweat a lot, who work out. Do you work out?
All the time.
So this is a perfect adhesive for clients that do work out and that love to work out. Now we're trying to see what part we're gonna do, middle or side. Now what you like?
Middle.
Ooh, that sounds like fun.
My clothing line's name is TLZ La Femme, which means to live zealously femme. And this kind of ties into like what I've been talking to you about, having that confidence. I want to share with women my journey and also be able to give them inspiration, and living in your glory and your power is really important. So go for it and be that feminine woman energy and embrace it.
I can't wait to see.
Show me, show me.
Are you ready, honey?
I'm ready.
Let me
see.
Here we go.
Oh my gosh!
It's so you.
Stop it, baby.
I told you.
Okay,
You gotta have
bounce.
faith.
Hey. This look makes me feel like a completely new, youthful woman.
No, thank you, honey. I love you too.
Answer your FaceTime. I have something to show you. Yes, girl. I told you I was gonna get the Alonzo Lay, baby.
You like it? You love it? Ooh, it looks good, don't it? I love working with Asia. She is such a sweetheart. She's open to anything. You know, I thought she was gonna be like, I don't wanna do pink. She took it in and she loves it, like all smiles. It's working in her favor well, honey. Her new look is everything. I love it. It is so sickening on her.
I was really nervous about what it was gonna look like because I wasn't too sure if it was gonna fit me. But when I saw it, I was shocked because it's so hot.
Thank you so much for watching Refinery29 today. To watch more videos, click here. To subscribe, click here.